faster so you can get to them.
Yes. Yeah, that would probably be good. Thank you so much. You too. We are at the Beaver Meadows Visitor Center entrance. We're gonna take this road up, and here at Deer Mountain Trailhead, we're gonna take the left up 34 to take Trail Ridge Road all the way up and around the park until we reach Grand Lake, at which point we will turn around and head back out of the park. Got Craig and Jason in the front. Our way around.
There's Mary. There's Craig.
Elk.
There's some elk. Way up there.
Look at this.
Yeah.
They're battering each other. 5 on 1. Oh, he's going down. They're slowing him. Brutal bout. That's all happening, isn't it, in nature?
He's gonna be okay.
It's just too much to photograph.
Here we are at the alpine level where trees can no longer grow. Isn't it fascinating stuff, Jason?
Yes, it's very fast.
He says it is. It is. It's fascinating. What's over here? Oh, outstanding scenery. Thank you, Mary. Look at the size of that whopper. Look, just say again. Look at the size of that whopper.
That was great.
Chevrolet. Sounds French, but it's not. Very American.
Jason, there's someone to stop up here. If not, that's okay.
Mary expresses her desires to stop here because the view is outstanding. I assume it's for that reason and not for medical reasons. GMC there. I don't even know what that car is, but what a nice recreation vehicle. Mary is taking a photograph because it's stunning.
Look at that.
Stunning video. Look at this one. It's Jurassic Park all over again. Forest Canyon overlooking 500 feet. We have to stop because this is exceptional scenery. Hello. Hello.
I realize that the altitude is getting to you.
The altitude has taken its toll. Soon I'll be passed out wriggling around. Resuscitate me when I pass out, please.
Will do.
Look at this. What is up this pathway? Let's find out.
It's an action cam because he makes it one.
Here's the Forest Canyon overlook. Mary's overlooking the Forest Canyon. You're just so fit and healthy from the hiking. Skipping allowed.
stopping for?
Don't feed the animals. That's an animal.
Miles away.
Home.
So we're stopped at Shadow Mountain Lake at the south end of the Trail Ridge Road in Rocky Mountain National Park. We've stopped at a nice cute little picnic spot here, and Jason and Craig are gonna have a dip in the water. Woohoo! So there Craig went.
Are you cold?
You got splashed. You
I'm
just
in the
splashed me
water.
barely.
I should be cold, not
You
you.
just barely splashed me.
Ah!
And they're having a water fight.
Glasses. Glasses. Give me your glasses. We made it.
Woo! Victorious.
and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.